Empathy is seeing with the eyes of another, listening with the ears of another, and feeling with the heart of another by Alfred Adley. Hello everyone, I am Ayati Shrivastava. If I could change just one thing about the world, I'd make it a kinder and more empathetic place. Empathy is when you can understand someone else's feelings without being in their shoes. Sometimes I wonder, how can people just walk past by someone who is hurting? A hungry child, or an animal sleeping or laying out in the cold? It's not because they don't care, it's because they've forgotten how to feel. If I had a magic wand, I wouldn't wish for gadgets or gold. Instead, I would wish for more people to care, to understand, to listen, to look at someone and say that to them. Empathy is powerful. It doesn't shout, yet it changes everything. It stops bullying. It makes us help others. And it brings people and animals closer together. Imagine a world where no child cries alone, no animal goes unloved, and where no one is judged for being different. That's the kind of world I dream of. And to achieve these type of things, we don't need to have superpowers. Instead, we can start by taking small steps. Smiling at someone, saying thank you to them, helping a friend who is feeling low, or just sitting beside someone who needs a bit of company. These are the small things that matter. They are the seeds for a better world. I may only be 10. However, I believe that big changes start with small hearts. With you, with me, with empathy. So, if I could change just one thing about the world, I would make sure that more people tend to care. Because when we care, we heal. And when we heal, the world becomes a brighter place. An SDG connected with this change is SDG 16, as it helps make the world more inclusive and kind, and reminds us that not all hope is lost. Thank you.